broadcast areas. WXL 57 at Des Moines. WXL 94 at Brentwood County. WXK 84 at Fort Dodge. KXI 98 at Marshalltown. KXI 62 at Montezuma. WXM 91 at Raspin Lake. WMG 730 at Ottumwa. KZZ 51 at Carroll. KZZ 68 at Brentwood. KXI 65 at Lennox.
Bruh, I farted during the test. And it actually smells so bad in here right now. Alright, hope you all enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.